Which is the third highest civilian award in India? Padma Bhushan. Which is the lower house of the Parliament of India? Lok Sabha. Name the river bank on which Taj Mahal is situated. Yamuna. Who was the first Indian Governor General of independent India? C. Rajagopalachari. Where was Mahatma Gandhi born? Porbandar. How many years is the term of office for the President of India? Five. Which one of the below states pin code starts with 2? Uttar Pradesh. What is the national song of India? Vande Mataram. Who built the Great Stupa at Sanji? Ashoka. Which was the first satellite of India? Aryabhatta. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Jawaharlal Nehru. What is the retirement age of the Chief Justice of India? "65 years. Which is the highest peak in South India? Anamudi. When is National Voters Day celebrated in India? January 25. Where is Tihri Dam situated? Uttarakhand. Who was the first Guru of the Sikhs? Guru Nanak. What is the capital of India? New Delhi. Which is the longest river flowing in India? Ganga. Silent Valley National Park is situated in which state? Kerala. Which state in India shares a boundary with only one Indian state? Sikkim. Identify the state which is not landlocked. Andhra Pradesh. What is the official language of Odisha? Odia. Name the director of the Hindi film Lagan. Ashutosh Gowarikar. Who is known as the father of the nation? Mahatma Gandhi. Who was the first Mughal emperor of India? Babur.